Here we are asked if the distribution shown in this table is a valid discrete probability distribution. Two things that we can say about any discrete probability distribution is that all of the probabilities are between 0 and 1 inclusive. So here x can take on values of -4, 3, or 6. And for each of these values, we have probabilities that are between 0 and 1 inclusive. So this criterion is met. And the second one is that the sum of all the probability masses must be 1. So here we have